Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka OM Roy Memorial School Shillong haringkat ka jingitre lang mat ka Sports Authority of India kala Pynlong ye ka Fit India School Week arhajar arpuar hagala si ublay hamaulay konton masar. Kani ka program kala ni Shibnai Kyntu yakaba kala sedang nadu ka khatsan tarik unai wieng hagaleng jogari India bat ka jingtmu jong kani kalong ban Pynlong ye ki Khynah ba kinong ki ba biang ha ka met ka phat bat kum juru ha ki jingmut jing perkhan. Hakani kasngi layadon lang MLA Kamau Phalang constituency uba Eugene Sandingdo kum ukongsan kumjo Deputy Director Sports Authority of India Regional Center Guwahati upanjit Bhagavati kum usembut kongsan Chief Coach Football Umadan Kumar uba lekini shooting football coach jongka tanat Ïalehkai ka sarkar jilla ka principal jongka school ka kong SMLA bat kiwe nakalyang uba Eugene la Kyntu ki Khynah ba kide bani Bynta ha ka kam Ïalehkai sports la kalong ha ka football basketball martial arts khanang ba kinong ki ba biang ha ka met ka phat bat kumju ha ka bor perkhat perdan ha kani kasngi la Pynlong ru ye ka jingye kop kintip bat kumju ka jingye Ïalehkai football Tiger 5.
I have to say about being fit. To be fit, you need to have physical activity in your life. As students, as kids, you do a lot of physical activity unknowingly. You walk. Walking is also a physical activity. You walk to school. You walk away from school. You walk here and there. These are all part of physical activities. So I can say that you cannot be fit if you do not have any physical activity in your life. And the best form of physical activity is sports. And for example, what Mr. Bhagavati said, dance. Now, in this present generation, there are a lot of people who go dancing classes. Not for the sake that they want to learn how to dance, but for the fact that they enjoy the dance classes and the ultimatum is they get fit. You're young, you do not understand what it is to be fit. Genetically, you're young, you are fit. But the older you get, you will realize that you need to be fit. Sports at the highest level is very competitive. To the minute details of what you do every day will show, the results will show. It can either hamper your performance or it can either uplift your performance. So it has come to a stage where what you eat is very, very important. Like now we have people, I'm sure you're all into social media. You'd see how people like to maintain themselves, how people are very genuinely happy of how their body looks and how it will benefit them. You can see, especially in the last 2-3 years, there has been a tremendous rise in people who have converted themselves into vegan. I do not know whether any of you understand what vegan is. For those who don't understand, we have vegetarian, we have people who eat only veg, then we have people who eat non-veg, and we have vegan. So according to sports people,
who is working with you. In badminton, you have to cover the space. In football, you have to cover the areas. There you have to pass on the balls, and you have to know that what is called team building. And this is what you get benefit in the society. You will get benefit in your workplace. You will get benefit in your relationship also. The team building. Team building is not only in the sports, it's also in the dance also. You can get it in singing it together, because just now we have started the function with a song. All have to be in that rhythm. So I have to say only one thing, that really thankful to everybody for having such a wonderful warning you are giving to me, giving to the side office, and respect the sir, he has come here on our request, and to the school. principal and the other authorities. And further, I have to say one thing only, wish you all the best, because you are really far ahead of what I was thinking. It's really so many achievements from your side. And thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to come here.